One of these is today's project. Which one? Stick around and find out. All right, y'all. Let's see. I'll go ahead and grab this one right here. Get a little bowl out of it. So, what do we need up here? Let's get ourselves ready here. I already got it marked out. Get it in there good. All right, I'm gonna flatten this down here. Flatten this down, and then after I flatten it down, I'm gonna go ahead and then spin it around, put a tenon on this side, and then just hollow a small bowl. Try to make a live edge bowl tight. Whether or not this is gonna stick, I don't know, because it's already starting to rip off on over here on the bark. Let's see, what can we get this bad boy up to? We sure we'd be able to get it up there pretty high. All right, we'll start around 1200. Let's get this bad boy up. Level this side here off. Get a tenon put down here. All right, get a little sharp on there. Let's see if we can get in here a little bit more now. That'll work for a tenon. Oh yeah, tighten her up on there. All right, we'll bring that up just for support. We'll round this off a little bit. After it's rounded off, then I'll start going in, see if I can keep some of this live edge or something. I don't know. Let's see what we got. Face shield down. Yeah, she's nice. Let's go ahead and start digging her out. Alright, this tailstock's got to go. But at least I got my marking now. Alright, let's actually swap over to the big one. So I have less to worry about distance. Let me go and... Actually, you know what? I want to drill in a little bit just to get the depth that I want it to go. Bring it down a little bit. It'll be interesting what I end up with. As I go down, this thing's going around. I might have made it a little thin. I need to stop going out and just go in. All right. Starting to keep the wall now, that's good. Oh yeah, she gone. Nice. All right. So now, let's make this, let's design this out, but we gotta be careful because we got a crack right there. I just round it out a little bit, smooth it off, make it look pretty, and see what we end up with. Yeah, while I round that down, I also get rid of this, so it's kind of a twofer. Twofer. All right, nice. Okay, I just gotta be careful here. I got a tendency of not being careful on how deep I dig stuff out. All right, let's see what that's looking like. Okay, I got that all off. Nice little bowl, or yeah, whatever the grandkid wants to use it for. All right, I'm just gonna clean off the top here. All right. Okay, that's good. Let's go ahead and sand her down. I got the usual 80 to 400. Yeah. Add little snips here and there, and bring it back when the sand is done. All right, I didn't ruin it this time. I'll spin it around and make that tenon become part of the bowl. Let's let's get some shellac on her, finish her up, and call it a day. Swipe her all off, make sure she's all paired. See what she looks like. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that yellow jump up. Lord. Just beautiful green. Yeah, it is. Very nice. So I'll let this spin on here for a couple of minutes, let it dry off a little bit. I'll put another coat on it, let that dry, and then we'll turn it around and design that tenon to become its foot. Bring it back in a minute. Still stuck to the center here. Get my face shield on. All right. There we go. Salad bowl for my granddaughter, so she can put it with her little Barbie stuff. I don't know why she wanted it, but hey, she asked for it. I'm more than happy to make it. So, there you go. That's the project for today. All right, till the next one. See ya.